Hello, my adorable friends, and welcome to another Number Corner. I love starting our day with Number Corner. We get to sing, we get to have some fun, we get to do a little bit of learning, and we get our brains nice and warmed up, ready to rock and roll for the day. So let's get started by singing our days of the week. Are you ready? Sing with me. 1, 2, 3. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Awesome. Yesterday was Wednesday, but today's a new day. So what is today? Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is... Oh, I can hear you all shouting from home. Thursday. Awesome. Let's turn around our Thursday card. What's our date today? You got it. It is the 15th, which means it's the 15th day of the month. Say the month with me. Ready? April. So let's put it all together. Today is Thursday, April 15th, 2021. And remember, April is the 4th month. Say them with me. January, February, March, April. So let's go update our date card. All right. Oops. Sorry for the wiggles. So we're going to leave that 4 right where it is for the month. We are going to change the day to the 15th. And we're going to leave that year as 21. So everything we write the date on today will be 4-15-21. Now, if you're feeling fancy and you want to write it in the longer version, April abbreviated or shortened is APR period. We write the day as the 15th. Can't forget that comma. You always have to put the comma after the date, and the full year is 2021. All right. Now, we have a little bit of a discussion to be had today. We don't have anything to add to our grid observation chart. Let's look at today's shape. What does this look like? You're right. It looks like an S, which is a shape, but all of the shapes we've added so far are what we call polygons. Oh my gosh, I keep giving you all these big new words. Say that with me though. Polygon. A polygon is where a shape has at least 3 straight sides. So let's look at our trapezoid yesterday. So we counted the sides. Remember, there were 4 sides. And you notice how each side is straight? That's why we get to count it as a side, because it's a straight side. Let's look at the S. Well, I have a straight side here, and I have a straight side here. But the other lines are not straight. So that means our S only has 2 straight lines. So it is not a polygon. So it's not a shape that we are going to write down because we can't check if it's symmetrical because it doesn't have 3 straight sides. So much more to learn. That's not something that you need to memorize. It's not something I'm going to ask you to remember. It's just important that we've heard it. So when you go to 2nd grade, you're like, I remember Mrs. Sae-Wong saying something about polygons. And then once your 2nd grade teacher says, oh, it has to have 3 straight lines or more, you're going to be like, of course I remember. Okay? So this is just our opportunity to introduce that word to you. So you've heard it. So you've seen it. So you kind of remember. So one more time, a polygon is a shape that has at least 3 straight sides, and we can check if it's symmetrical. If a shape does not have at least 3 sides, or 3 straight sides, excuse me. So it has 1 or 2 straight sides, or maybe no straight sides. Let's think about circles and ovals, okay? Those shapes are not polygons. All right, my friends? Kind of tricky. I know it's a new word and a new curveball I threw at you, but I have all the faith that your super smart brains can hold on to that important information. Okay? So let's move right along to our days in school. Yesterday was day 133. Let's add another day to our chart. So, what comes after 133? Well, we have, let's go 100, 110, 120, 130. Now let's count on by ones. 131, 132, 133, 134. Oh, I heard you all shouting it from home. Today is day 134. So when we write it out, we'll write it 134. Let's break it down. A 1 in our a 1 in our hundreds place means we have one group of 100. A 3 in our tens place means we have 3 groups of 10, which gives us 30, 10, 20, 30. And then a 4 in our ones place means we have those 4 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, all by themselves. So let's put it all back together. Ready? Let's take our group of 100 plus our 3 tens, which is 10, 20, 30, plus our 4 ones, gives us 134. Time needs to slow down. All right, let's spin our spinner and finish our popsicle collection for today. Oops, on the line. Oh my goodness, here we go. How many are we collecting today? You got it. We are collecting 5 popsicle sticks. Let's pull them out. Count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we're going to drop our 5 popsicle sticks in our pouch. So let's write them down. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then do I do number 5 like that? Nope, you are so right. So remember, when we are writing our tally marks, we write them down in groups of 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to do my 5th tally mark sideways, so I know we have 1 more bundle of 5. Easy peasy. Let's count how many popsicle sticks. How many do we have? Let's count. 5, 10, 15. Now let's count on by 1. 16. Oh my gosh, so we only have 1 more day to collect tomorrow, and then we are going to figure out which week had the most, which week had the least, and we get to do all of our fun math talk. I can't wait. All right, friends, that's it for our number corner today. Nice and easy peasy. I will see you all at our meetings and in our videos later. Bye, friends.